Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be doing the undersealing the BMW. So we'll get all that sprayed up, get it all sorted out, and hopefully it will save us from rust corrosion in the future. So these have just turned up. A bit late, but we'll get them fitted and we shall go from there. But yeah, they're finally here, they've turned up and we'll get them fitted, so at least we'll have some more stronger fog lights. When you forget how low your car is and you try and use this jack, it's not working. I had to find the low profile jack, which I have recently just bought for this whole reason, which I completely forgot about. And now it starts to hail. Oh. Tried avoiding all the brakes. So I didn't have anything go on the brakes. That should be all fine and dandy. They do look a bit crispy and a bit sketchy, so I might have to change them soon anyway. Thanks for watching guys. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.